E nā hoa kūpa'a I ka ho'okahua hou ia o ke kuane I ke Hawaii ma luna o kona ʻŌlelo makuahine, aloha nui kākou. O ko hoku leʻa holo I Tahiti I ka makahiki kanahiku kumaono, ka paio I pau ai ka ho'opahu ia o ka ho'olawe I ho'omaka ma ia makahiki like. A me ka ho'okumu ia o ka papahana punana leo I ka makahiki kanavalu kumakolu, he mau hanana huli au ke ano I ike ia ma ka moʻaukala o ko ka Hawaii imi ana I ka pono o ka Hawaii. A ʻaʻole paha I ike hou ia kela ano hanana huli au e alu like ai na kini a lehu no ka pono o ka Hawaii, a hiki loa mai I kela mau mea I ike ia ma Mauna Kea, mai ka haʻule lau o ka makahiki ʻumikumaha, a hiki I ke kupu lau ma hope mai. O ia ku kiaʻi ana ia Mauna Kea, I hoʻokū ia I ke kukulu ia o ka ʻohenana kanakolumika o TMT no hoʻi. He hoʻoia ia I ke kupaʻa vivo ʻole o ka Hawaii me ka hiki ʻole ke kulaʻi wale aku. Ma ka holo o ka manawa, mai kela mau hanana koʻikoʻi o nā kanahiku a me nā kanavalu, a hiki loa mai I kēia manawa. Ke nui aʻe nei ke koʻikoʻi o ka hoʻoala maoli ia o ka ʻike kuʻuna a me ke kuana I ke Hawaii. Peia pū, ke koʻikoʻi o ke komo a hoʻokele I nā ʻonai hana e ka koʻo ana I kela mau mea. A peia pū ka mālama I kēia mea e kapa ia nei he kapu aloha I mālama maʻemaʻe ia I ka pilina kanaka I waena o kākou.
We stand in kapu aloha, regardless of what they bring at us. We stand in kapu aloha, we stand in aloha aina, we stand on truth.
Kapu aloha, it is the way you carry yourself. It has dignity and uprightness and integrity for your land and your kupuna and your makua and for all things around it. It is a consideration for something outside of yourself.
Because we are pono in everything that we do. So please, I ask of everybody, hold yourself to your highest standards. Create new standards today. And hold yourself to that. And once you get to that point, make them even higher.
And people, that's where the confusion is. People think, oh, aloha, aloha, but they're looking at an institutionalized and commercialized version of aloha. We're talking about the aloha that kiaʻis the land. We're talking about an aloha that kiaʻis their families. People are very frustrated by that strategy because they have no understanding of where it's coming from, that it's something that's made up. In reality, it is a long-standing practice we've always had. We've always had. We're calling it kapu aloha now. It is good to have anger, you know, but how to redirect that anger into positive means, now that is kapu aloha. You have a beloved name of ours that we cherish and honor, Kamakau, one of our great historians, you know. And we know the battle is not with you, and we're in a system that's dividing and separating us. The kapu aloha that we hold is for you specifically because of how they've chosen you to come forward to us. It's hard.
The feelings are mutual. Trust me, I have a hard time.
We can see that.
But I gotta do my job.
Pushing your body. Push me. Hey, Molly. Lava. Okay, Kali.
I saw her weigh, and as she was weighing, she was sincere, so sincere that the BLNR officer would put his hand on top there. Now me as a makua, trying to maintain kapu aloha, I almost had to resist myself from breaking that kapu aloha. I protected my daughter as best as I could by telling them, don't touch my daughter. You can talk to her. How would you like someone to touch your daughter? And I saw the emotions of their face changed because it made them realize that they're doing something that could happen to their own family one day. It was a very testing moment for me at that moment. And I had to maintain my composure and understand what I'm there for and to help these young kane to maintain their Kapu Aloha.
Excuse me, you read your rights?
To explain that to a young kane, it's very difficult because they have this cool energy in them. Oh, it was very intense moments. Explaining the Kapu Aloha to them, understanding that they're needed to maintain that Kapu Aloha and keep that humbleness as best as you can. If you cannot, then you just remove yourself from the situation and go down and cool down. We have to continue to move forward with this protection of Mauna Momentum.
What's his charges? We haven't heard any.
He haawina aloha ohana keia. Ea pela kanohona. Pono e makaukau no na wā maikai a me na wā paakiki. Ulu ke kanaka ma ka wā paakiki. Ale nui ka ulu ma ka wā maalahi. Ea like me kera ʻŌlelo au na kanaka au kai I kaika loa ma ke kai ale ale. Ale makau imi ke kai malie, you know. Komo, you know, I loko ke kai ma oki oki, ke kai ale ale. A pela e kai kai, you know, ka koa pau. Ano leila o kia mau wā paakiki, he wā e ulu ai ke kanaka. He wā e ho ulu I ka pilina, e ho ulu I ka hilinai. Ina hiki ke holo mua, lana kila maluna o kela mau pirikia, e ho I kaika I ana, makou, kākou, no na wā hiki mai ana.
We have to fight for our people. We will be gone if we don't work together. We must love this place. We must show this world we love this place. We must show the world we love this place.
How do we bring unity to that ʻēha that's there? You see the process. You see the system that we're all caught in. And you look at eye to eye, it takes a deep, humbling relationship and loving to say, how do we do this better? How can we do this better? You know, we forget there is a spiritual movement that has not been recognized fully. We have tools that have been passed on to us through the oli, through the chant, through the mele, through the mo'okuauhau, through the ʻŌlelo, that really allow you, that encourage and empower you to act in right, in good stead. And it is about being present, acknowledging that, and it acknowledges you, plain and simple.
Again, hello everybody. From myself, I apologize to you guys. I hope you guys understand what I gotta do. And you may not accept it. I gotta do my job. I'm really, really sorry. Okay. Our number one thing right now is public safety. We're not going up. We love you guys. We love you guys. We love you guys.
Hawaii, Hawaii, koko Hawaii. We're so fortunate. So fortunate. The waiwai that we have to draw from is immense. It's still alive. It's still here.
So I encourage all aloha aina and kiaʻi Mauna to renew and strengthen our commitment to fighting this hewa and protecting our mountain in Kapu Aloha. We have been committed to this from the very beginning, and it is absolutely crucial that we continue this way. We must remain dignified in everything we do and everything that we say. This is our stance, and we will not waver from it.
Mahalo ke ia launa ana no ke kahi pukana o ʻāhaʻi ʻŌlelo ala. A no ka ike hou aku no ke ia kumuhana ma ke kiko I, e kele aku no ia Oiwi Kiko TV, kahahio mauna kea. A e like me ka mau, e nana mai no I kamako mau polokalamu e ae, ma kamako kanela kiko hoe o Oceanic Time Warner Cable, helu kolu lua ono. A hui o aku no, aloha.